Welcome to an exclusive gathering of industry visionaries, live at Google's Sunnyvale office. Leaders from manufacturing, high-tech, and semiconductors came together with Pluto7 and Google Cloud for one mission: reimagining decision intelligence for the autonomous enterprise. The verdict from the room? Supply chains are still shackled by complexity. Knowledge workers are burning hours stitching together disconnected data, fighting fires buried in massive, disjointed spreadsheets. Reactive planning isn't working anymore. The era of incremental improvement is over. Next-generation discovery agents and evolutionary algorithms are already delivering breakthroughs, double-digit gains in routing and logistics. Real numbers. Real impact. Attendees experienced how planning in a box orchestrates demand, inventory, manufacturing, and sourcing to help planners overcome inventory gaps and keep customer promise. The dialogue went deep. Executives and technology experts tackled data maturity, live telemetry, and the shift from operational complexity to pure strategic agility. It was a working session on what's next. These are extraordinary times for manufacturing transformation. The tools are ready. The future is waiting. Scan the QR code now, book your demo, and start orchestrating today.